We are here with the stunning Thejaswini Sharma, and she just walked for Vogue Institute. So we would love to know how was your experience at the Fashion Week and what were the emotions running behind?
Hi, yes, I was extremely excited and overwhelmed, first of all. I think with all the hurry and everything, so much of fun to just get into the stage and do what I love. And I worked for Vogue Institute, and I think they've designed something really extraordinary. And I should give a kudos to the designers. And yes, it was a young bunch of team who have done this design. So yes, I was very happy. Thank you, Bangalore Times, and I think this was fun.
Yeah, we love the look and you look stunning in it.
Thank
So
you.
what would be one aspect of the entire look that you love the most?
I think she's given a beautiful trail, you know, so you can just walk like a queen. That's the thing.
Yeah, it completely enhances the look.
Thank you
That
so
would
much.
be all. Thank you so much.
Thank you.